Small meetings bring people together, but planning them, it's a challenge for everyone. Where should we meet? When? How much will it cost? Who's attending? Troop makes meeting planning simple. Plan with confidence. No more manual research, endless spreadsheets, or guesswork for meeting planners. With Troop, easily compare the best meeting locations, coordinate attendees, manage travel logistics, and track budgets all in one place. For attendees, everything is clear. Access important information before, during, and after the meeting, and focus on what's most important. For finance and travel managers, Troop provides full visibility. Know exactly what's planned, where, and for how much, with insights to keep everything on budget and in policy. All of your meetings, all in one platform. Troop makes it easy to plan with confidence, track your meetings, and bring people together. Better meetings start with Troop.